Yeah, I don't think it stays in the same place. It depends what it probably has to go. Look at that. Oh my God.
So those still shoot.
Yeah, it looks just a little better than it used to, eh?
Holy cow.
We'll put it up after.
Yeah.
Is that it? Did you always have that glass in the back just like that?
What, the window?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I never noticed it before because I never really,
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever seen your car up close.
Yeah, you have. It was been at Starbucks there when it had the old look.
Yeah. A long time ago though, but I didn't really. Oh, yeah, those are the rims that you sent me. Very nice.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I still don't like this. Holy crap.
Something?
Look at this. Holy.
So I'm guessing this will probably still get a housing.
This?
Yeah,
No,
that'll probably get a housing in here.
Would I have a housing around that, or would that just be bare like the way it is? Right?
No, that's just the way it is.
That's what I thought.
It has a cold air intake.
That's what I thought. Yeah.
Ready to hear?
All right.
That looks like a K&M.
It is.
Holy shit. Woo! Holy cow. I forgot to do the live stuff. Oh man, that's awesome. Oh, listen to that. Oh my God, yes, that is the way it should sound. Wow. Well, it smells so new when you hear it, but when you oh, can you believe that? And it doesn't even move.
Oh yeah.
So you see what I mean? How long it takes, what they're doing with all that work that's going on in there.
Oh yeah, it's like rebuilding a whole car.
And then making like the AC stuff work with new engine, heater box, because all that. We took all the old computers completely out of it now.
There's the fenders or something, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see them if you open the doors a little bit more there, Al.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, from there. So the computers are right there.
Have they figured out how many horsepower it is yet?
That's probably later.
Yeah, that's definitely later. But I mean, they're 436